Okay, so we're trapped inside the building with the bears and the otters because there are two chimpanzees on the loose at the zoo. So here we are. We've now been in here for about an hour. We're getting really hungry. Mason's starting to get a little cranky. But right now he's checking out the turtles. He likes the turtles. There's the turtles, Mason. And he's been flying around here like Iron Man for a while now. He's getting real bored. As we all are. We're not alone in here. No. There are several other people and 3 workers. And the otters have been playing, and the kids have been playing with the otters. And the bears are starting to get tired of looking at us. They're ready for other people to come out. There's the bears. Apparently there are helicopters overhead. And there are the helicopters. So, they still haven't got the chimpanzees. And there's the otters. There's one of them. Aw, so cute.